Welcome back on this channel on this Monday morning, Bratan, and it looks so beautiful here because we closed yesterday's weekly candle. We closed perfectly above this bull flag as you see it here. So it looks very nice, but before you're getting very excited right now, watch this video until the end because I explain you why this, although this looks bullish, it could be some trap. I show you also what I'm doing here with my trades. You know, I'm still in a big loss here, 40k in a loss, and here the other trade is a 10k in a loss. So probably you shouldn't take it too much serious what I'm saying here, but let's start here because this weekly candle, this is very bullish. But what could happen here? We could see, because this weekly candle we closed perfectly, as I told you in the last week. I told you we could see some dump but still close above, and right now the following week I expecting to happen the same. I expecting we could see here, we will close this weekly candle above again end of this week, so in 7 days again above this massive support line. However, I'm expecting here still a wick down to 54k, and I wrote you already on X, I don't have X right now open, in 2 till 3 weeks we will break all-time high. Mark my words, and the all-time high is at 73k. So I'm expecting here in 2 till 3 weeks we will see here a clear break above our 73k level area. But before this happen, I'm expecting that we will see here 54k approximately. And why? Bro, if you're watching my channel, you know exactly why we will go down to at least 61,500, bro. Because the most of the people are getting excited. They're seeing here this crazy green market. And you know what's even crazier? What makes me crazy is that we will see this week, we will have here, wait a minute, where is this? We will have this week, where is this? 1 second. Here, earnings. So on Monday, today, we will have Ford Motor and so on. Wait a minute here. Ford Motor, and we will have next week, tomorrow we will have Google, we will have Visa, and it's all they all predicting the forecast. You see here $1.83 earnings per share, and compared to last year $1.55. So it looks extremely bullish. The whole week looks bullish. And what I'm expecting here, I'm expecting still that we will see here. I mean, we closed also here, you see, above Fibonacci 0236, which is very bullish, and I'm expecting that we will go higher. I'm expecting here that we will see here a break and retest here to 69k, or even maybe the market maker will chase the liquidity here in this orange box, which is between 70k and 71k. And we have also here this double bottom. You see here this double bottom, the price target of this double bottom, which we're breaking right now to the upside, because we're breaking here the support line at the moment. You see here, wait a minute, I show you exactly here. Boom, we're breaking right now above it, and the price target is here also 69k, around 70k, which is beautiful. We all love 69k. But it also confirms, because we have here a lot of liquidity up to 70k. But don't forget, bro, even though I'm also thinking we will go to 70k, don't forget, bro, look at this massive liquidity here at 61,600, 4.4 billion. Do you think they will not grab this liquidity before we will see new all-time high? Do you really think this, bro? You are completely delusional if you think we will see right now pump to 80k and new all-time high. This is completely delusional. Look at this juicy liquidity. Okay, you want to see another graph? Look at this. Look at this juicy liquidity here, 65, 64k. If I'm zooming out, you see even more liquidity. This is the liquidity on all exchanges here. You see it goes down here to 54k. Don't you really think they will not grab it, bro? Come on all the people who are writing I'm wrong. Okay, sometimes happens, but bro, this liquidity, they will grab it. They will probably grab right now here above 70k, because people getting crazy bullish as soon as we're breaking here 69k, or if you break here this local all-time high here at 69k. Imagine the hype we are going here to hit 70k. Imagine how people go crazy. They will start shit on their walls and rub with their hands all this shit and writing Bitcoin to the moon. But bro, come on. You know what on the daily it will look like. On the daily, it will look like exactly like this. Okay, this chart's maybe more clear. It will look exactly like this, bro. Don't be delusional. Here, we will have exactly here, boom, 70K, and then boom. What it looks like, it's a double top. This is what exactly I'm predicting here. And yes, I'm also predicting that still we will see here drop to 54K, maybe between 61 and 54. These are the levels. And then we will close still probably the weekly above this neckline, above the support line. This is the crazy thing. This is how they get liquidated, because at 70K, imagine how many people will go long at 70K. Then the liquidity here down below will be even bigger. Here, all this liquidity which they can grab. So my plan right now for my trades here, which are right now in a loss, I'm expecting here Pepper also further to drop. We will speak also here about WIF and FET in a second. And Pepper I'm expecting further to drop. I mean, we could see right now a massive pump in Pepper here up to 1008, but I still expect they will grab the liquidity here down below up to 0650, maybe only to 0722, but at these levels approximately here, starting at 8 and down to 750 and down to 0.65, this is where I will start to add to my position. It all depends on Bitcoin, obviously, what will Bitcoin do, but this is when I will start to add to my position, to my Bitcoin long, to my Pepper long position, because I expecting here still another dump. And also, if we are watching here on the daily still, there's still room to go to downside. We are still overbought right now. Not overbought, we are oversold, but there's still room to go. And as soon as we're dropping here down to 0.7, we will have here also the RSI is dropping, and then we will have a bullish divergence, because the RSI will go down while the price will go up. So this is what I'm doing here with Pepper. And FET had perfectly almost hit here $1.40. This is where we'll have some liquidity. So expecting, even though FET is pumping, and maybe we are pumping even higher to $1.50 or even to $1.64, I still expecting here that we will retest here $1.40, $1.04 or even 95 cents. This is where I'm thinking about to sell my spot and go 2x long on FET. So sell my FET spot and go 2x long on FET, because I expecting here obviously FET will easy as soon as we drop. You see here also how strong FET is, the community. You see here, it doesn't matter the product. Come on, fuck this product. But look at this, how people buying up here this dip. So I expect here some pump, dump, and then massive pump to the upside. If I manage here to go long on $1.04 up to our local all-time high here at $1.78, this would be 67%. Imagine like $400,000 on 2x, $800,000 by 60%. It would be something like 500-600K or something like that. So very risky, but I'm still thinking to do this. Also WIF, we have here WIF. WIF, I'm pretty sure will retest $1.90 at least. The biggest liquidity we have here at $1.60. So at $1.90, this would be probably a nice long opportunity, for example, on 2x, because the probability to get liquidated is not so high. If we are going to on 2x at $1.90, the liquidation price would be at 94 cents. Better even to wait until we're dropping to $1.63. Will this happen? I don't know. But we have a lot of liquidity still here. Wait a minute, let me check. On WIF, if we are watching WIF, let's zoom out 3 months. So we have here $1.96 almost guaranteed. You see this yellow line, they will grab this liquidity. They will, obviously they will grab also $3 the liquidity, but first $1.96. If Bitcoin is dumping, then $1. Yeah, you see it's a perfect alignment also with Fibonacci 0618. But the next big liquidity is, you see all the liquidity going down to $1.69. $1.69, yeah, maybe we move a little bit up, $1.69. This is where the first big chunk of liquidity ending, and the next one starting at $1.45 down to $1.28. $1.45 to $1.28. We have to move a little bit up. $1, what I said? $1.45. Yeah. Starting, and maybe we're making here some squares so we remember, or I will remember this. Wait a minute, where are the square? $1.45. Yeah. So here we have a big chunk, and the other one is starting at what I said here at $1.96 down to $1.67. $1.96 to $1.67 approximately. 67. Yeah, let's say it's something like this. Yeah. So these are the big levels where they will liquidate. I'm pretty sure. Also, we have here on the daily we are overbought. On the weekly, on the daily we are neutral. So we have to cool down before memes start again a massive pump, bratan. So this is what I'm expecting. Interesting to see today also how much ETF inflow we have here today. Bitcoin ETF. I'm expecting we will have a lot of again, BlackRock buying a lot of Bitcoin today, because we see here pump, and always when we see pump, usually who is responsible for it? Usually BlackRock is responsible here for this pump. So this is what I'm expecting here on Bitcoin. As the real bull run starting, obviously, as soon as we're breaking here the all-time high, this white line, as it always happened, you see here, and this will happen in 2 till 3 weeks. This is when the real bull run starting. You see here, this has always happened, but in 2-3 weeks, this will happen. And what is obviously also what a lot of people missing is the total crypto market cap here. The total crypto market cap, it looks similar. You see, we have also this bull flag, the same bull flag which we see here. And on Bitcoin price, we broke already above, but on the total market cap, we not broke it above. So as soon as we're breaking here, this line approximately at $2.4 trillion total crypto market cap, this is when we know for sure the real bull run started. So it's right now approximately here. You see, as soon as we're breaking here, this line, this white support line, resistance line at $2.4 trillion. This is when we for sure know that the bull run started, bratans. So this is for me now, bratan. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah!